So the crayon in the box is what we're going to be listening today, the read aloud. And I just want you to pay really close attention to the story to see what we're going to do today. Okay?
The Crayon Box That Talked. While walking in a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with many things to say. I don't like red, said Yellow, and Green said, nor do I. And no one here likes orange, but no one knows just why. We are a box of crayons that doesn't get along, said Blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. Well, I bought that box of crayons and took it home with me and laid out all the colors so the crayons could all see. They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green and black and white and orange and every color in between. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright on white clouds drifting by. Colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched till I was through. And when I'd finally finished, I began to walk away. And as I did, the crayon box had something more to say. I do like red, said Yellow. And Green said, so do I. And Blue, you were terrific, so high up in the sky. We are a box of crayons, each one of us unique. But when we get together, the picture is complete.
Okay. So in the story, none of the crayons liked each other. None of them did. They didn't want to work with each other. They're like, I don't like red, I don't like green. But what is one thing you guys noticed at the end of the story when the little girl took them home and did her picture? What is the one thing you guys noticed that at the very end of the story? What happened at the very end of the story? How about, let's try Tomas. Go ahead and turn on your microphone only your microphone.
They were happy.
They were happy. Tomas, why were they happy? Do you know why they were happy?
Because they liked their colors.
Yes, because they liked each other because of their colors. Why do you think they liked each other, the colors? So let's see. How about Desmond? What is it something that they liked about each other, Desmond?
It's because they like to draw.
They like to draw. They realized, oh my goodness, we work together. We can create a new beautiful color. And look at all this beautiful picture this little girl was able to draw by using all of her colors. She was able to put so much detail in her story. So at the end, the picture looks so beautiful and complete because the little girl used every color in her box. So guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna write our stories, okay? And our focus today is using every color in our box, just like the little girl did. So that way we can add lots and lots of detail with our colors. And that's way our pictures can be complete, just as beautiful as that little girl's. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're going to write a story and we're gonna focus on using all the colors. So let me go over the few things just to remind you what we need to remember, okay? So I'll go ahead and share that real quick. So we're gonna use all the colors in our box for our pictures today. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see all those beautiful colors on your stories. And just remember, even if it gets hard, keep drawing, keep writing. You put down what's going on. If it's a name, write it down the best you can. Always just do the best you can, okay? And then write and just make sure that you're writing and illustrating real quietly. And then make sure that you're touching. Remember, we learned that yesterday. We're touching of what happened in our story so that way we can remember when it's time to share. Okay, and the focus today, what is the focus? We are going to use all the color crayons in our box to make sure we add lots of details in our story so that way our story is complete. Okay, all right, so give me a sec here.